Well, this is it. Say hello to the iPhone 11 Pro box. It's black now, so that's cool. Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and today we are just going to quickly unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's take the plastic off, and I gotta say, this is a pretty nice box as far as boxes go. Now let's do the thing that I said I'd do and open the box. And right on the top here, we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Man, that green looks good. There's no plastic on the back of the phone, which is interesting, so let's pull it out. As you can see, the plastic's only on the front of the phone, which is fine, although a little bit different than the last couple years. Anyway, let's pull off that plastic. And right now off camera, I actually go and put a screen protector on it because I am terrible when it comes to getting screens scratched up. And here you can see it with the screen protector. I don't think I did a perfect job at applying it, but it's not too bad. But let's turn that on. And as it turns on, let's look at the rest of the box. So we have the paperwork, and under that we have the 18-watt power adapter, as well as the earbuds, just basic earbuds that we've had for years. And then under that we have the USB-C to lightning adapter. So the 18-watt charger is pretty sweet, but otherwise it's pretty standard. Let's look at the paperwork really quick here. There are Apple stickers and nothing else super interesting, so okay. Looks like the phone's booted up, but I'm going to do that off camera. So for now, let's just look at that beautiful green. It really is beautiful. The phone is quite a bit of an absolute unit, if you know what I mean. Like it actually is pretty big. I'm going to enjoy that. I think the bigger screen will be quite nice over my smaller 10s. So I put a clear case on it from Spigen, whatever. This is just temporary. I'll find a better case eventually, but I had bought this ahead of time just so I have some protection for it. And at this point, the phone is set up, so let's take a look at that. And here it is, fully working. It works. It's really nice, honestly. I'm going to look forward to the better battery life, the green color, I guess, and I'm definitely going to be playing with those cameras a whole lot, so make sure you look forward to that. So my SIM card is out of my Pixel 3 XL and into the iPhone 11 Pro Max now, and with that, there's not a whole lot more to talk about. This is more of an unboxing, not so much impressions, so I'll leave that for a different video. If you found this video interesting, maybe hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content similar to this. You could always follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want to keep up with how the phone is going at 91_tech. I'm Josh from 91 Tech. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.